Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a branch in GitHub. Creating a branch in GitHub is simple and useful when you want to work on new features without affecting your main code. Open your repository and look for the branch button near the top left of the repository view. Click it and it will display all of the branches that are in the repository. GitHub will show an option, New Branch, at the top right that you can choose to start creating a brand new branch that you can work with. When you click it, it will require you to give it a new name. Give it something that has purpose so you'll know what to do with the branch. And the source here, right at the bottom, is basically what branch you're going to copy the code from. So name it something like experiment or anything that works with what you're trying to do. Once you're done with everything, then create the new branch. And now you have the new branch instantly created in your branch tab. And that's how to create a new branch in GitHub.